So to calibrate, the first thing I want to do is we want to make sure that this guy is level. And we can see, if we look right here, there is actually a spirit level. It's just a bubble with a circle in the middle. We want that to get as centered as we possibly can. If you put this on an unlevel surface so the bubble came toward us, we could adjust the leveling feet in order to make that closer to level. And anytime you move it, you do want to reset that level. Then we can turn it on. Okay, and we can see we actually have a full digital display on here. So we have tare, which is essentially going to 0 the unit, but we want to calibrate. So we want to make sure that the very first measurement we do is going to be perfect. We're going to do single point calibration, and we have this weight that came with it. And anytime you're messing with this, it is a good idea to make sure you're either wearing gloves or just using another tool. We're going to drop the weight directly onto the frame. And it says take away the weight, so we'll take away the weight. And there we go. We are now fully calibrated. This is ready to start measuring. So you can see right now it is reading 0 grams. If we put the weight on there, it is reading exactly 100 grams. So we know that this is very accurate. And to keep this weight accurate, it is a good idea to keep it sealed just to make sure that it is protected.